Hello and welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 8. Today we're going to be multiplying by 11 and 12. So I just pulled up the 11's factors and products on our little chart over here. And I wonder if you can notice any kind of a connection. 1 times 11 is 11. 2 times 11 is 22. 3 times 11 is 33. And so on. There's a wonderful connection with 11s that really helps you, makes it easy to learn. So let's do some examples. Example 1 here says, there are 11 straws in a package. Helen bought 4 packages. How many straws does Helen have? Okay, so if I'm looking at this, I see I need to find 4 times 11. So one way I can do this is to use patterns. Let's see, my pen's not working here. Study the pattern in the table. Notice when I multiply 11 by 1, I get 2 1s. 11 by 2, 2 2s. 11 by 3, 2 3s. So if I want to do 4 times 11, I'm going to get 2 4s. Another way is I can do repeated addition or get my counters out. But 11s, they're just that special that we don't really need to do that. Okay, so 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 is just 44, right? Because I've got 4 10s plus 4 1s would give me 44. So 4 times 11 is 44. Helen has 44 straws. Example 2, there are 12 inches in 1 foot. How many inches are in 6 feet? Okay, so if I want to do 6 times 12, I could decompose 12 into add-ins, right? 10 and 2, because 10's an easy number to divide by, or multiply by. So if I do 6 times 10, I know that's 60. And 6 times 2 is 12. And so if I add then 60 plus 12, I would get 72. Look at that nice little trick there. So 6 times 12 is 72. There are 72 inches in 6 feet. Guided practice says, write an addition sentence and a multiplication sentence. I'm going to underline that so I remember I need to write both. For the number of counters in 7 rows of 11 counters. So I'm doing 7 times 11, right? Which we know 7 times 1 10 is 7 10s, and 7 times 1 1 is 7 1s. Or I could write 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 is 77. All right, let's see. Here we go. I'm looking at page 480 here. I want to do another 12. So let's break 12 into 10 plus 2. So I'm going to do 8 times 10 plus 8 times 2. So I have 80 plus 16 is 96. 8 times 12 is 96. What about 5 times 12? Let's do 5 times 10 plus 5 times 2. So 50 plus 5 times 2 is 10, so our answer is 60. Look at that. That's kind of a neat little trick. Okay, let's take a little brain builder look. Jan has 3 dozen eggs. Paul has 4 dozen eggs. How many eggs are there all together? Hint, 1 dozen is 12. So I need to figure out what is 3 times 12, and I need to add it to 4 times 12. Okay, so if I break these little guys apart, I'm going to scooch this up. 3 times 10 plus 3 times 2. So I'd get 30 plus 3 times 2 is 6. 36 eggs is how many Jan has. And then Paul has 4 times 12. So I'm going to do 4 times 10 plus 4 times 2. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 times 12 is 48. And then it says, how many are there all together? So now I need to add 36 and 48. 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. So altogether they have 84 eggs. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Kind of a neat trick for 12s. I like that. Anyways, we'll see you later, and make sure you let me know if you have any questions. Bye.